May I request Dr. Kiran ma'am please to take over?
Thank you, Deepti. Thank you, sir. And thank you all my dear students. I'm so pleased to see good response to this webinar, and I thank students Lakshit, Rajat, Sahil and Apura for their efforts to reach maximum number of students in such a short time. I welcome our distinguished alumni, and we would love to hear their experiences as students here. Our principal, sir, has beautifully addressed and picturized the rich traditions and excellence of college in every field: NSS, NCC, co-curricular, sports, academics, our commitment to the society and to nation building. All this requires a vision and a great leadership, which we find in our worthy principal, who is most accessible, concerned, caring, and very encouraging to faculty and students. College has a very highly qualified faculty to take care of each individual student, and our office is most helpful to all students in need. And we in this DSW office always accessible and available to students 24 hours, all 7 days for their redressal of grievances. कोई भी समस्या, कोई भी सुझाव, we three, myself, Dipti ma'am, Navneet sir, we're always there. Now, we saw the glimpses of DSW activities at the start of the event. I request Dipti ma'am to run that slides again, please.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. Slide.
DAV students are so capable that they do wonders in their respective fields. This is library, Shaurya Bhavan. This is Shaurya Bhavan. Sports achievements are martyrs. One of our outstanding student, Piyush, he is present today as curator TEDx DAV. He organized TEDx talks in college, and hundreds of students from the college were part of organizing team. Speakers of national, international repute were invited, and they shared their struggles and success and inspired students. It was a great show. Well done, Piyush. We are proud of you. We encourage students to dream, to take initiative, show their organizational and managerial skills, plan, and take responsibilities. Next slide, Deepti. This is a tour to Dharamshala, McLeodganj, and there was a track to Triond also. I did it for the first time with the students. I reached at least halfway. Next. Rising Stars of DAV College. This is very innovative platform in Karwa. This is the platform where the budding talent of college shares the platform with the established names in the field. They are pride of DAV and they inspire our students. Next slide. This is Karma, annual fest of the college, another innovative platform where hundreds and thousands of students participate. This is completely designed, organized, and managed by students. And the 3-day event showcases the teamwork, discipline, hard work, patience, and perseverance. Some of the students now have their own event management company as well. Next slide. This was the farewell organized by DSW office. More than 500 students participated. This is the visit by Tibetan students of Tibetan school in Paonta Sahib. We were pleased to have them here in our college. Yes. Next. This was the dental health checkup camp organized in the college. Next. Okay, this is the tour to Kulu Manali, and there was a track to Tirthan Valley as well. These tours, they make students aware of the hill cultures. Flash mob, another event in Karma. This is all, yes, next, yes. Our chief guest, we take the blessings of Almighty before the start of the event, Karma. Our NCC. This is NSS. Haryanvi dance. This is Afghanistan, the students from Afghanistan showing their talent on stage. College provides environment to nurture your talent and gives opportunity, support, and motivation to reach your potential. We have the infrastructure for providing skills to remain relevant in the ever-changing environment. These are the songs from Himachal. Okay, this is the EDM. Students love it the most. Talent of DAV College on stage. And the prospectus, which will be out very soon. This is the query I'm getting in the chat box, www.davchd.ac.in. You keep contacting. You will get all the required information regarding prospectus and admission.